What do you think it is?
I'm gonna watch it.
It's from XOXO.
Exo. That means
Exo,
look.
Exo. What is it? It's milk.
Fancy.
Oh, high class.
What's milk?
It's a high class store.
What's milk? What about
Can't move.
What is it? Heart and soul.
It looks like
Grant,
I
move, buddy.
opened a brain.
What do you think that's for?
You get it? I think. I know. What in the world is it? Hey, you wanna come back?
What could you use that for?
There will be no shrinkage.